guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading
Over you until I find something new to get me high like you. Yeah. Y'all see Goo Goo in the back? Boot up and my heart go bye bye da boot up. So right now, me and Lucy were going to go get coffee. She's not getting coffee, of course. It's just me, of course. But we're going to get coffee. If y'all didn't know, Lucy is my brother dog. They just here for the summer because, you know, he go to school. They go back in like a few weeks. They go back in, yeah, in a few weeks, like probably like in, not next week, but the week after, I think they go back. So yeah, it's gonna be sad. I really don't want them to leave. But yeah, got our grass mowed yesterday, thank God. And like, I be so happy when the grass is mowed because I can actually see the grass. Because I hate when it's like tall and you can't see nothing. I don't know if a snake gonna come up on me. Like, no, I'm not about that life. No, like I hate snakes. I hate snakes. But I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm sick, so that's why I haven't really been posting. Last week I posted one video, and I think that was a vlog actually. Yeah, because it was my mama's birthday. That was a vlog, but I didn't upload it. I didn't upload Thursday, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I was sick. Like after my mama's birthday, I got sick, and she actually got sick. My throat was hurting so bad and everything. Like I was like, what the heck? Like I think my mama got sick first, and then I got sick. So it was rough. Like, whew, I don't know what happened, but yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I don't have nothing to really film for a Tuesday video, so I decided to vlog. Hopefully it's not boring. So yeah, but it seemed like y'all really enjoy my vlogs, so, and I like filming them, well, and I like doing the vlogs, so I decided to, you know, do another one today, and I have to upload this tomorrow, so hopefully I get at least like enough footage, because, you know, they are going so slow. Top of the world.
Morning, what can you use today?
Yes, can I get a medium caramel iced coffee with,
Would you like cream?
yes, cream, pink sweetener, and extra caramel.
All right, anything else for you?
That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. I love this song. Thank you. You too. 5 more minutes. Time goes by, the clock don't stop. A pause button, moments like Okay, so I'm going to make dinner. I guess I'll do some, this is like cricket. I'm going to be doing tacos. Baby, you, I didn't know my words. Maybe should love first. Maybe should love you first. I got the hamburger. I need a bag. I literally always do that. Making tacos. Well, it's not Tuesday, but tomorrow's Tuesday. It's fun. Yeah, my mama is literally asleep. She's still up for good. It's like 5 o'clock and she took, what is it? Z-Quil? I think? I'm just washing my hands, you know. Text at me. Am I the only one that hates this kind of soap? Like the hand soap? I hate it. I like Bath and Body Works better. I get some garlic. We put garlic in everything. Just a little bit. Well, get a little more. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys what we got from Dollar Tree, because we did go to Dollar Tree. Let me move some of this stuff. We got this Thankful Harvest welcome like metal words. I don't know what we can do with this, but yeah, it just looked like this. It just got 3 of them in there. We got this 57 salts. We got this coconut cooking spray. I never tried this out. I tried like the Food Line brand, but I don't know how the Dollar Tree one will taste, but probably it won't taste like nothing. And this is like healthy, they say. And I got this vanilla syrup. It's for like your coffee or whatever. So yeah, I got this from Dollar Tree. It's just 0 sugar, 0 proteins, 0 fibers, 0 calories, all that good stuff. And my mama got this window like sticker thing. I don't know why she got this, but yeah, it says Thankful Blessed Fall, and it have little pumpkins and fall leaves. Would y'all like to see like fall decor this year? Last year, I don't think I did it last year, the fall decor, but I did do Christmas Christmas fall decor, but I did do Christmas decor. So just let me know if you guys would like to see that, because I need to, you know, I need to hurry up. That was my shamamo that cold. It's smelling good, bubs. It's smelling good. Okay, so I got some sweet and low. This is what I get from my Dunkin' Donuts for my coffee, just like pink sweetener, because you know sugar is bad for you, and this, I'm pretty sure this is, they say anything white that's bad for you anyways, because it's so not concentrated, it's so whatever, you know, I don't know. And then we got some bleach, It was just $1, so we just got it. You know, bleach is bleach. Like, they just staring at me. Why y'all staring at me? Cause I got your toy, huh? All right, get out the kitchen. Get out. Look, she's literally as tall as me. No, no, no. Hold on, let me take the things off. Wait, Lucy, put it down. Put it down. Why is Pepsi like? I got clothes on under this. I got shorts on. Ow, go. Get it. It's yours, Bubs. It's your toy, Bubs. Lucy, I don't. Oh. Okay. Tweety, they won't even let Tweety get it. Aw, Tweety. That was yours. Get it, Tweety. Get it, Tweety. She don't know where to go. Ooh, my hair. I know my mom was like, oh my god, these dogs. I have to wash my hands. Another status food, I really need to edit. Well, no, I don't need to edit. I actually need to film a video for Thursday video. I was gonna do it today, but I got kind of lazy, so I didn't. I just be like so, and I've been like so unmotivated for just filming like a makeup video because I don't have no ideas. Like, I can film anything else except for that. I be looking on Pinterest and everything, but it's just, I don't know, it's nothing that I can really find. And when you order, anything that you order on my site will be what do they call it, made to order. Like, when you place your order, that's when it's going to be made. It's not like I'm going to like have like leftovers, because I'm pretty sure I won't. And you can do like custom things like glitter, or like if you want like different writing on like a shirt or a mug, or like a hat. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. Like, I feel like this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. And I feel really like confident about this like business. My stuff is going to be really good quality. It's not gonna be like freaking Michael Kors, you know, because you know I can't even do that. But like the material stuff is going to be just right. Most of my stuff is gonna have like 100% cotton, because I just like 100% cotton. It's just like so much better, and you can actually like breathe through it. So yeah, give me this. She got another piece of paper. So yeah, I'm so excited. I wanted to see what kind of hats do y'all like. Do y'all like the little strap that you can just pull it, like just pull it and it get tight, or do y'all like the little thing, or do y'all like the hats that have like the little buckle, like it's like buckle. It's not like a buckle, but it's just like you just press it in the little holes? Or do y'all like the Velcro strap? I got the Velcro strap because I'm just wearing it for me, but if like somebody else want like a different type of hat, I will like get that and make that. So yeah, but I really like this shirt, but you can get this like little saying. You can actually get this on the back of the shirt, and I can have like a little coffee like mug or a little cup right here. So yeah, it's just whatever you guys like want to do, I will do it. And you can do like different lettering and all that stuff. So it's custom, and like the custom stuff I think it's going to be like $3. So if you want lettering that'll be like a different type of lettering that I don't already have, it's going to be $3 extra. If you want like glitter, it's going to be $3 extra, because glitter it's extra stuff. So yeah, and I will try to have the website linked down below for you guys so you can go check it out. So yeah, I'm so excited to be doing this. I will be 19. Ooh, did y'all see that picture? I got to tell y'all about that picture. But I will be 19 starting my own business. Like, what? That's crazy. It's like really crazy that I've been like looking for a job and everything. I still need to look for a job because, you know, to be honest, hopefully I don't have to. But I still need to look for a job. But I just want this to be successful, and I want to be successful in life. So yeah. Food is done. Oh, tell Mama food done. It's good. I feel like good. And I'm watching Meg. This is like a really old vlog, 2017 May. But I love watching old vlogs. Okay, so I'm excited to say that I am done with my website. I'm so excited. So excited. So happy. So proud of myself. Y'all, this is going to be my business, so I hope you guys like my products. I'm so excited. I haven't hit publish yet. I don't know what it is. I'm so happy that I did it. Okay, so I'm like a little nervous about publishing the website. I feel like it's still not finished. I feel like I still need some stuff on there, but I got to get it going. I gotta get it up. I'm so nervous. I'm just like a little nervous, but I always gotta burp in every video. But I'm just so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Because to be honest, I've been working on this website for like a year. So yeah, it's been, I think it's like, no, it haven't been a year. It's been probably since it's probably been since January of this year. I'm so excited. I really hope you guys enjoy the products. I got some more on the way, so don't worry, I got y'all. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of it, and that's it. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Just the little, I got the little like wood. I really like this. It's actually really cute. I still haven't published it, so that's why I kind of look a little weird. But it says Jassy-j shop, because y'all know I'm Jassy-j. But I got some mugs, some hats, some shirts. This stuff is like really affordable, so yeah, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. So I didn't show you guys the whole website, and I got more products down below, but I didn't want to show you guys. I want you guys to go on there and go shopping, you know. All this stuff is really affordable and good quality, so I hope you guys enjoy. I'm so excited. I do have a business email. I will link that down below. I do have a little I have an Instagram for this too. I will link that down below, or if you already on the website, and it's linked down below to like my socials and all of that. So yeah, I even put Pinterest down there too, and my YouTube channel, but it really wouldn't help you guys if you're watching this because you're already on my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm still not done, but I feel like I'm not gonna never feel like I'm done until I start growing on my website. So you know, it's just a growing process. So yeah, I'm about to see what else I need to put for like shipping and stuff, make sure everything is right. And yeah, I will so yeah, I will leave everything linked down below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy my website. I hope you guys, I keep saying I hope you guys, but I hope y'all enjoy my website. I really worked hard on this. I hope you guys really like my shop. You guys go support your girl. Go purchase something. You can purchase like a little mug or a hat. I do have different kinds of hats. If you want like the baseball cap, that's the ones that I'm actually showing you guys right there. It's the baseball hats, but you can tell me if like what kind you actually want and I would do that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, comment down below if you guys enjoy this video, and comment down below if you about to go to the website and you about to purchase something on there. It will help me out so much. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.